Region 4A. I manage 30 radio stations across the country. I have a digital company with 20 million views per month. And I just phoned in the big boss of Signal TV. So sabi niya, interesting yan ah. So sabi ko, may gab na eh. And I would like to congratulate Papa Goat for that. And I've been supporting you ever since. And finally, kasi what I don't, my question is to the three of you, what I don't understand kasi is, Arnis, mga movies na sikat, has a DNA of Arnis. In fact, upon checking, the movies like Equilibrium, Book of Eli, 300, Taken series, Mission Impossible 3, Hunted, the Bourne series, and the John Wick series, including the latest Ballerina, may DNA ng Arnis. So, parang hindi napansin? Ano nangyari? And now, with this happening na gab na, what do you think will happen? Siguro,
Okay.
kayong tatlo.
Thank you so much for the question, Brother Roy. It's a very interesting question. But before I continue, I would just want to thank you again for the sponsorship that you gave us a few years back. Hindi po madali itong ginagawa namin na lalo na when people do not believe, do not see the results yet. They don't have the vision na I have. Not very many people would support. But si Brother Roy, nung couple years ago sa palaro namin sa San Pablo, Laguna, he didn't really think twice. He just wrote a check for 50K. There you have it, Papa Goat. So thank you so much again, bro. Hindi ko yan makakalimutan. Okay, so to answer your question, now that we are now professionalized, it's going to open up a lot of doors. A lot of doors and a lot of windows, a lot of opportunities for our Arnisadores, Arnisadoras to actually make it and ma-focus sa kanila talaga yung spotlight. A few reasons why FMA didn't really prosper here is because of the crab mentality. Systems and styles, which we have over 100 of them, FMA-wise. They say, oh, my skill is better than yours. My system is deadlier than yours. So what did I do? Okay, so if that's the case, then I'm going to unify all of your styles and systems, bring it inside the cage. Show us what you got. So that's number one. Number two, it's going to elevate the quality of life of the Arnisadores, of the FMA community. Why? Because now, with Juego Todo being professionalized, there is a good prize money. There is a good fight purse. Imagine, during my amateur times of Juego Todo promoting it, I was able to get a sponsor who gave us a house and lot. Amateur lang kami. House and lot, motorsiklo, 50,000 kabuhayan package, 20,000 cash, and the inaugural belt. And that was 2019. So now we are a professional league. Kaya nga I will be eyeing the groups of like Mr. Ramon Ang, San Miguel Corp. They're the biggest sponsor of the Arnis team, which is a SEA Games. Amateur lang yun. O ito, pro. Sabihin ko, Boss Ramon, baka naman. Diba? This is the very first pro. So, hindi lang si San Miguel Corp ang lalapitan ko. MVP, Manny Pacquiao, Manny Villar, and everybody else who has the money, sabi ko nga, to promote and support this new endeavor, which is sariling atin, tangkilikin natin. Diba? So I could really see the potential kasi kung noon pa lang, nagawa ko na eh. So much more ngayon. Now, a lot of people are going to be talking about it. Those who never believe, all of a sudden, they love to ride the bandwagon. All of a sudden, oh, Papa Goat, this. But guess what? Wala ka nung naghihirap ako, wala ka rin ngayong masaya na kami. So it's just going to be the group of these people who supported and who never left. You know. So that, and then lastly, is to change the landscape of Filipino martial arts. Because when people don't talk about our culture, our tradition, lalong-lalo na, like you said, you see it in all of these foreign movies. Pero nobody really talks about it. Kasi, oh, si style ni ganun yun eh. So, wala yun. Mas magaling yung amin. So again, the talangka mentality.